The month of October is packed with new smartphone releases, and one to look forward to is the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. We've already seen some leaks of the company's upcoming releases, but today a new set of leaks has revealed new details and even a new product. Ahead of the October 16th launch event, Roland has managed to share two images of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. These new shots show the phone from the front, revealing some new details. For one, the bezels here are extremely thin. Around the sides, the screen is slightly curved like on recent Samsung Galaxy flagships, and the top and bottom see very slim bezels as well. There is a considerably sized notch on the top of the display, but it does look like it may contain some extra hardware. It's unclear at the moment, but it's possible that Huawei is opting to use a different front panel on the Mate 20 versus the Mate 20 Pro, as past leaks pointed towards a water drop notch being used. Another picture shared also confirms the square design for the triple camera setup. Huawei P20 Pro is currently the leading flagship from the Chinese firm, and it boasts a number of technologically advanced features that have made it appealing. P20 Pro boasts a 6.1-inch display with a resolution of 1080 pixels, a huge 4000 mAh battery and an incredibly fast processor. But the standout feature of the device is its triple lens camera that is currently one of the best on a smartphone. Technology editor said, Huawei has been making smartphones for years, but nothing has grabbed our attention quite like the P20 Pro. This flagship easily keeps pace with the competition, and in many ways it actually outclasses its rivals. The triple camera is fabulous, it looks great, and that battery life is so impressive other manufacturers should be embarrassed about their lackluster performance. But the P20 Pro is set to be challenged by Huawei's forthcoming flagship that will debut next month, the Mate 20 Pro. The Mate 20 Pro will be announced by the Chinese tech giant in London on October 16th. Huawei has not been shy about flaunting its new Kirin 980 processor that is set to be blisteringly quick at dealing with anything Android has to throw at it. The new processor is expected to debut in the Mate 20 Pro. Most notably, the Mate 20 Pro has been rumored to come boasting a gargantuan 6.9-inch display that could be accompanied by minimal bezels and a notch at the top. It has been suggested the Mate 20 Pro could have a smaller design compromise than the regular Mate 20 that will also be shown on October 16th. The notable part here, though, is the fact that the case for the Freebuds 2 Pro can use Qi charging as the Mate 20 Pro is expected to do. Even better, it appears that users will be able to charge the case using the phone itself, pictured above. While perhaps not very practical, that's incredibly cool. For standard charging, USB-C is included as well. However, instead of the cameras being positioned in a vertical line, they are grouped in a square outline this time around. The shape of the camera module looks extremely similar that shown in a recent teaser video for the new Android flagship posted by the Chinese tech giant. Huawei has made a tradition of releasing cheaper versions of its flagship phones that forego some premium features in exchange for a more affordable price tag. The Chinese tech giant recently showed off its Mate 20 Lite that is designed to be a budget device. And the regular Mate 20 is presumed to be a mid-tier product, while the Mate 20 Pro will sit as the most luxury in the product line. Android fans will not have to wait long to see what the latest flagship from Huawei has in store, with the reveal event for the product being mere weeks away.